there, travel bees! In today's video I am sharing tips and tricks with you. It's a short one that I already shared it before, and I did my tests on it, and actually it turns out pretty well. The algorithm does its work. So the tip is to manage your response time. Try to respond at the comments of your freshly launched video within the 24 hours. If you replay within 24 hours, 23, maybe 8 seconds after the video is starting, the algorithm will boost your video up, and it will be shown the next day and a couple of days. So it's important to reply to the comments of your new video within 24 hours. What I like to do, if I have time, I don't have time every day to do that, but when I have a little bit more time, I reply twice a day within 1 hour or a couple of hours from the moment I posted the video, and at the end of the day, just to be sure that I cover all the comments and the video is going up. It gets to be suggested to other videos if you do that. So please, let's do this exercise together. I'm doing it already, but I want you to have more comments and views and to your video. So try to reply to the comments in your videos within 24 hours. You will see an impact on your videos. So let me know if you like this kind of videos so I can make more. Please subscribe if you're new here to keep in touch with my tips and tricks and other things that I'm doing on this channel, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye! Say bye, honey bunny. Say bye, honey bunny. He's sleeping all day. Say you bye, honey bunny. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.